What do you think, Quinn? Way to go.
That's what I think.
We organized all those bolts and everything.
That's what I think, Matthew. What am I supposed to think? Look at this.
Quinn! Hey. What are you doing, bud? Let's put on.
Hey, Matthew.
There's,
Just thinking about life.
there's an engine. What are we doing?
This engine looks mint.
Yeah, no. I'm going to reuse this clutch just the way it is.
Bro, BP4W.
W.
W. So what are we doing today, Matthew?
I'm going to strip the engine
You strip her down.
a wee little bit.
Project Exocet.
Do we come up with a better name for that yet?
Sexocet.
We can't, remember?
Suck
There's
on
already a Sexocet. He's got an awesome
crap.
Exocet. Thing's sick. It's got a sequential quaif box.
Sequential tweet?
Yep.
He doesn't even floor it, so it's whatever.
Just that one video that I showed you.
Yeah,
He does.
Kinda. I don't know. Call it Project Dump Truck. Alright.
We're going to strip this engine today. We'll see if the rotating assembly rotates.
Yeah, that's interesting. The pulleys are smushed in. Get a little
Yeah.
close up of this here. So from the frontal impact, can't move this. I don't think so.
And this isn't stock either.
Ooh, I'm spinning the crank.
Oh, yeah, you are.
I hit a wall though right here. What the hell is that?
What'd you hit? Snake eggs?
Oh no, maybe it's just the compression. I'm not strong enough to turn the flywheel.
Let's pull the spark plugs.
Well, let's just pull this thing apart.
Yeah, let's just start taking it apart. We'll do a time
Yeah.
lapse. Right?
So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put together a new BP4W. It's probably gonna be a combination of some stuff from this, and then also from the original engine from my NB 99. I think I pulled that motor out at 56 or 58,000 miles. So we're probably gonna run that block, and we're either gonna redo this head and run that, or I still have a spare head from my car, one or the other. But whatever we don't use, we're gonna clean up. Then if it's still usable, we're gonna sell it to help bring our costs down. Where are we at?
3 or 2,500 right now.
2,500 beans. So
Yep.
let's see what we can get out of this.
Yep. We haven't bought anything yet, though. We need to.
Coming.
Yep. All right, let's get going.
Do it. The head's not bad. I've seen way worse.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Looks like somebody changed the oil on some occasions.
That's clean.
A little bit of hot stamping. You can send it out to the machine shop for skinning. Looking good.
He's good.
It's good. Everybody relax. This is just for funsies. Right, Matthew?
Idiots. I would like to work on my BMX bike.
You know what? We don't want to work on your BMX bike.
I kind of do.
You do want to work on this BMX
Yeah.
bike? Oh, okay.
There we go.
Well, there you go. Now she's firing.
We
do the no starter mod and then just hook up an impact every time we want to start it. Be like an old World War II fighter. What do you think, Quinn? Way to go.
That's what I think.
We organized all those bolts and everything.
That's what I think, Matthew. What am I supposed to think? Look at this.
We're not using the bottom end. We're gonna use.
I'm gonna use this entire rope to it and then the other end of my ankle, and I want you to go drop me in the ocean.
Let's make a coffee table. Might be kind of heavy. Coffee table.
You're gonna love moving.
Yeah, big iron curve.
Buy seats to our webinars, Quinn.
Check out our webinars at slipanglemedia.com webinars. We give away free tuner parts to you guys at great odds.
Slash. You forgot the slash.
I'm
Or
just screwing
slash.
up the whole plug here. I wasn't ready for this. You put me on the spot.
It's alright, you're gonna do it 7 more times tonight anyway.
I can't bust it out. Like, you gotta warm up to it.
Yep.
Get some clothes. Get a hoodie. Any size except medium, or else I'll be fine.
Or he's gonna hit you with a breaker bar.
No, but in all seriousness, like, it's not that bad. A lot of
No,
this
it's
stuff
not.
is still salvageable.
Imagine if we had gotten this thing right when he put it away, and not after it's been sitting outside for.
We'd have more components that were definitely salvageable. I don't know what's gonna happen with that clutch that's done.
The flywheel, although it's not a removable friction plate, is it? No. I don't know.
Yeah, but if we had that machined.
Yeah, I'll clean it up.
Resurface.
I'll take it home. We'll see if I can clean it up.
Yeah. That actually could probably be saved.
Yeah.
The disc, I don't know what you can do.
No, yeah, I mean, there's
'Cause, like,
springs in the.
there's springs and, like, you know, the friction material,
Yep.
the oil and stuff on this thing will never grab.
Nope.
That you can oil up and clean off. Pressure plate.
Yeah, the pressure plate. There's spring inside these things, right? Yeah, these. Yeah, no good. Let's find another one.
All right, my phone's ringing. I gotta go take a call.
All right.
Are we closing this out?
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Oh. Well, no, I'm just kidding.
Buy a hoodie, or Brian's gonna hit you with a breaker bar. And
No. Be happy. Life's too short.
yes,
Guys,
it is.
thank you very much for tuning in. Give us a like and a thumbs up. Send this video along to your buddies, and I don't know.
Give us an idea for a name for the project.
Yeah, help us name this turd. It's gonna be awesome. It's a turd right now because it's.
Maybe awesome set.
That's so lame.
Yeah, it is. It is pretty lame.
Let us know in the comments what we should name this build.
Exo-sick.
All right, I'll let Brian do the closeout thing. Go ahead, buddy.
Hit my camera with the breaker bar.
Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. You know we gotta say that stuff.
I actually unsubscribe when people do that.
Match you. All right, don't. You know what? Don't subscribe. Thumbs down, all that.
Thumbs down are fine, right?
Yeah, that's fine. Engagement's engagement.
Yep.
Angry comments, you know, we accept it all.
Yep.
Peace.